Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to withdraw money from Huobi HTX wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Huobi HTX wallet, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, we're interested to know what HTX is about. HTX is a leading crypto exchange. It is one of the world's biggest Bitcoin exchanges and altcoin crypto exchanges. You can buy BTC, Ethereum, HT, and more on HTX. So now that we know a bit of what HTX is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to withdraw money from Huobi HTX. From this home page that is pretty beautiful, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find Assets tab, you're going to find Others, and you're going to find a couple more icons. So head over to your Assets tab and you have a drop down menu here. So I would like you to click on this arrow that leads to another page. That's My Assets. So just click on that, follow the cursor, click on My Assets, and it's going to take you to the Assets window. It's coming right up. Ta-da! So now that we're in this page, you're going to see the assets overview, and just right beside it you'll find deposits, withdraw, transfer, history, and audits. So go ahead and click on withdraw, and it's going to take you to this window. So the page is loading right up. So over here in this window, you can see the first thing is the address. So you have to enter the withdrawal address. Where exactly do you want to withdraw money from HTX to? Enter the withdrawal address, and you can find the withdrawal address from any other third-party wallet that you have. So enter your withdrawal address, and then here you have to select chain. Is it TRC20 or ARC20 or Solana or BTT? Just choose any of them. You can even head over here to token to enter the token from this communication bar. Scroll the way down to enter the withdrawal amount that you want. Then after entering the withdrawal amount, you're going to see how much you're going to receive in the token, any token of your choice. Now I will not be able to fill out these details because I do not have any amount in my HTX wallet. But then if you do, just select your coin, enter the withdrawal address, select your chain, and after selecting that, enter the withdrawal amount. And after doing that, then you see how much you're going to receive. You're also going to find the exchange fee here. Now I can click on this withdraw button because that's going to be enabled. Now once you click on this withdraw button, it's going to take you to the next window where you're going to finalize and complete your transaction. Now once that has been done, that's going to be it. That's pretty much how you can withdraw money from Huobi HTX to any third-party wallet of your choice. Then you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.